Hi friends, I wanted to bring to you a wonderful nighttime routine that I enjoy every single day. I found Boar bristle brushes. They are wonderful. This is the made in Germany shash brush. Now it has boar bristles in the actual makeup of the brush, and look at what a boar bristle does to our hair. Now, if you're like me and you have thin, fine, even frizzy hair, get yourself a boar bristle brush. Look at how it calms our hair down. It makes it so smooth and silky. And that's because it's actually pulling the oils from our scalp all the way down to the ends of our hair shaft. I have to be honest with you, I wasn't able to grow my hair beyond my shoulder. I always had the unruly, frizzy hair, and yet it was strangely fine. It had a lot of body, but it was just so puffy and big. And ever since I found boar bristle brushes, I have 3 of them, I have learned to appreciate what they used to do in old-fashioned Hollywood movies, which is they would brush their hair for 100 times, 100 strokes every single night. And look at what this does to my hair. Wow, it just smooths it down. Makes it so happy. It feels as good as it looks. And after a couple years of using a boar bristle brush, I have the hair that I always dreamed of, but never had. I think Grace Kelly had this brush, the boar bristle brush. So if you're like me and you have fine hair, if you have hair that's full of body and frizz and a little bit unruly, start brushing your hair every single night from scalp to the end of your hair with a boar bristle brush, and watch how it transforms your hair. Now my hair used to be shoulder length, and it is so long that I had to cut 4 inches off of it. Look at how pretty it is. It just feels great. Feels great. Oh yeah, you're probably wondering, why does this brush look like this? It's my favorite brush, and because of the way it makes my hair feel, I kept it around even after my dog ate it. I put it back together with epoxy. I watch the old-fashioned classic cinema movies, and I have always wondered, how does Grace Kelly get that shine into her hair? Well, I think she's using a boar bristle brush. Look at this. Look at what this does for us. So if you want to upgrade your hair game and feel great doing it, invest in 3 things that have really changed my hair in a profound way. Number 1, get yourself a boar bristle based brush. This is a shash brush. I found it on the internet. Made in Germany from boars that they actually raise right on their farm. They don't hurt any of the boars. They're just taking their hair and putting it in our brush. So upgrade your hairbrush. The second thing I would encourage is to upgrade your hair cleansing routine. This is the WEN Cleansing Conditioner. Where's the front of this bottle? Oh, it's right here. There's the word WEN. Okay, this is the WEN Cleansing Conditioner. I got rid of shampoo and conditioner. It was drying my hair out too much. And I switched to WEN and the boar bristle brush, and look at what my hair has become. Now I have a great stylist. Shout out to Jillian. Jillian, you've changed my life. I appreciate you, girl. And one of the first things Jillian said when she started working with me 20 years ago, she said, girl, throw that blow dryer out. You're burning your hair out. So I went out and I bought a cheap blow dryer a long time ago. I don't know how many years ago. Okay, and I've been using a cheap blow dryer ever since. I have not had to replace it. Yes, it was $100. It was worth every penny. So if you're like me and you have fine, frizzy hair that you wish was more smooth and silky, I encourage you to start brushing your hair at night and pulling the oil from your scalp down into the end of your hair shaft. I encourage you to stop burning your hair off with cheap blow dryers. Oh yes, the cheap blow dryer is much better. It doesn't burn my hair off anymore. And get yourself WEN Cleansing Conditioner. Stop using shampoo and conditioner and drying your hair out. I mean, just look at this. I have the hair that I always wished I had. And I never did, and now I do. And if you want to know where you can find great tips like this, I want to let you know that I wrote a book for you. You know, I got to thinking, I don't know very much about what the body needs, and so I set myself on the course of learning what foods minister to our bodies and what habits in our life minister to our body best. And I wrote it all down for you. For example, on page 60 of this book, I'm talking about this wonderful technique that they used in the olden days, where they used to brush their hair 100 strokes a day. And there's that Boar bristle brush I was talking to you about. And then I also learned what food we can eat to make our hair absolutely va-va-voom gorgeous. And that's on page 61. The name of this book is the Hilltop Living Guide. You can find these products at my store at the Hilltop Living store. Let's see, I'll take off my bookmark. Okay, it's hilltopliving.com. Just one click and you can click through to Amazon and put these products in your cart. You can also buy this book there, or you can search for it separately. So get yourself over to the hilltopliving.com store and upgrade your hair game, girl. I love you, and so does Jesus. Have a good day.